Hi everyone, my name's Anika. I've been a member of the events team for over 10 years now, which means this is my 11th summit. Whoa. Some of you may even recognize me from in-person events. I'm usually running around the conference centers like my feet are on fire. And now I'll be walking through the past virtual summit platform to give you an idea of what to expect during the virtual conference. As I just mentioned, I'll be taking you through a tour of our virtual platform. Once you've logged in, you'll have to complete your profile. Upload your photo, select your ribbons. This will be my 11th past summit, and then select your opt-in options. Once you've selected your opt-in options, please save and finish. Once you have saved your profile, you will arrive on the home page. This is the central hub of the event, and you can use the navigation on the left or the clickable tiles to navigate around the conference. Now, let's talk schedule. We suggest that you take time to build your schedule in advance so that you will know when and where to be to catch your favorite sessions and networking opportunities throughout the week. You can view everything past Virtual Summit has to offer under the full schedule. To add sessions to your own schedule for the week, simply click the star next to your desired session and it will add it to your personal schedule. For added convenience, you can export your personal schedule to the calendar so that you can see when everything is happening in your own time zone. Once you have your schedule on the way, it is time to check out all the other fun offerings throughout the conference. Your grab bag has offerings from sponsors, information on Pass, and a handy Pass Virtual Summit guide. Speaking of sponsors, be sure to check out everything they have on offer under sponsors and exhibitors. By clicking on a sponsor, their virtual booth will pop up. You can browse through their resources, product showcase, and add any educational sessions to your schedule so you don't miss out. Definitely make sure to swing by the comic poster wall and rate the posters for a chance to win a $100 Amazon gift card. If winning prizes sounds appealing to you, then you will also want to participate in Pass to Prizes Virtual Summit style. That's right, the classic Pass to Prizes is back with a virtual twist. To participate, download the Pass Virtual Summit app that you could find at the bottom of the homepage. Using the app, complete as many Pass to Prizes questions as possible, scanning QR codes when you find them. Hot tip, Pass to Prizes QR codes can not only be found in sponsors and exhibitor virtual booths, but also hidden throughout the conference. Watch the leaderboard grow and get over 15,000 points to be entered to win one of the grand prizes. But wait, there's more! Navigate to the Raffles and Prizes tab to see all the contests happening this week with great prizes to win. This has been a short overview of everything your past Virtual Summit has to offer, and there is so much more. Add all 4 keynote sessions to your schedule at a time convenient for you. Visit the community zone to participate in meetups, board office hours, and you could also find birds of a feather, all of which you can add to your personal schedule so you don't miss out. If you have any questions at any point, you can drop by the information desk and either join a video chat to speak live with someone who will assist you or post your question to the question board. Now, it's your turn to connect, share, and learn.